Hello guys, I hope you all are doing fine at home. So friends, today I'll be showing an easy abstract nail art design which requires no fancy nail tools. This design is so simple and can be created with your nail polish brush itself. So if you want to know how I've created this, just keep on watching, and I'll be using all these shades for this beautiful and gorgeous abstract nail art. Start off with a base coat, then choose any light color as your base color. I have chosen this beautiful grey shade from Lakme 9 to 5 collection. Here I am giving 2 coats of the base color. Get creative over here and choose any color of your choice. Also, if you have fluorescent shades, you may use it over here. It will look pretty and gorgeous. So this is the thing I like about abstracts. You don't have to follow a particular pattern, you just have to play around with colors. For example, here I am just using a black shade, and the brush also is the nail pen brush itself, no fancy tool, and I'm just giving wavy strokes on the base color like so. And after that dries, I'm using a silver glitter and with the same brush of course, and I'm just following the same pattern which I did earlier. And don't worry, if your polish goes here and there, you can anyways clean it up later on. Here you can note that I'm overlapping the black shade a bit with the silver polish so that the black outline becomes a bit thinner. And lastly, cover it up with any other vibrant shade. Like here I am using this beautiful turquoise shade. Now repeat the process for all your nails and your beautiful abstract nail art design is all ready. Also don't forget to top it with a top coat. So friends, I hope you like this art and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.